I think it's clear now.
S- Sir, there are 8 students, not 4.
Okay, Saleh is here.
9
Thank you very much,
students.
Saleh. Assalamu alaikum, and inshallah, today you will understand the concept, the practically in your life you are using here, but you will see the rates, how can we calculate it. Just I have put in front of you a one picture, a triangle. In triangle, rates already I have explained you, this is the comparison of two different things, like you know in petrol how many liter we consumed while we covered a distance. So one side is petrol, other side is the kilometer. So this is the two different type of the values, and which we have to compare through rates. And next in slides I will put some question in front of you, and you can practically solve it, then you can understand well. Like through this diagram, the D stand for distance, and S stand for, in physics you have studied already, S stand for speed and T stand for time. So the formula, actually I want to give the sense of the formula, then we can understand the rates. And it is very good example regarding rates, mean kilometer per hour or kilometer per liter consumption. Each and everything we will understand from this figure. Like, if out of three values, just I want to find only distance, then distance formula is speed multiplied by time. Then it is easy to understand. Like if I will draw a figure in my mind, and at the top I will write the D stand for distance, and then two different values like speed and time. Then easily in three different situations I can formulate my formula. If I want to find distance, then speed multiplied by time. If I want to find the speed from this, if I want to find the speed, just T will come as a denominator. So it will become distance over time. So total distance covered divided by total time, it will give you the speed. And the third one situation, if I want to find the time from this formula, and you already studied the topic to make the subject, if you remember. Solid, did you remember this topic, make the subject? So this is exactly the same thing. What I have done, I have cross multiply, cross multiply S and T, exchange it. That's why T is equal to distance over speed. So it will give you the three formula. The concept is clear. Then if I have put one question, a bus 210 kilometer traveled in 3 hours. First of all, I know this speed. This is the speed. 210 kilometer. Sorry, this is the distance. 210 kilometers. This is the distance in 3 hours. What is the average speed? You know the speed formula. Already, speed formula is. This is the speed formula. Distance over time. So distance over time. What is the distance total? 210 kilometer. And divided by what is the time? 3 hours. So when you will solve it, 37, so it will give you 70 kilometer per hour. It means in 1 hour it will cover 70 kilometer. Now the question situation could be changed. It could be asked like 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. So just you will multiply, you will divide with this total distance divided by time, it will give you the speed. Is it clear? Again, this is a, now next application of this formula I want to show. I walk at 4.5 kilometer per hour. Okay, how far can I walk in 2.5 hours? If my speed is, this is the speed, kilometer per hour. Distance over time, distance over time will give you the speed, and that speed is given one. That speed is given one. That is the speed. Speed is equal to 4.5 kilometer per hour. This is your speed. How far can I walk and in 2.5 hours? So simply, how far mean distance I have to find it. And distance, you know, from this one, you look. Distance means speed multiplied by time. So this figure should be in your mind. Then easily you can formulate. If you know only this figure, the rest you may manipulate easily. Rani, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 4.5 kilometer per hour, this is your speed, and 2.5 hour is your time. So if you will multiply speed multiplied by time, it will give you the distance. Yes. Yes, Azlan. Any issue? This is a kilometer. How far can I walk? This is the distance. Azlan, are you getting this concept? Azlan has left. Azlan internet also having issue sometime. Okay. Now the exercise we are going to start. This is 21.54. We have done it. For you know, in exercise 21.4, we have to write in 1 into n ratio, if you remember. And question number 2, what we have done, we have converted real value into scale multiplied by map value. Map value was given one, just you multiply with scale and then you have calculated the real value. I am talking about yesterday. Then map value, how you have calculated the real value over scale. So these were about yesterday concept we have done. Now today 21.5 exercise question number 1, and the topic which we have started, that is about the rates, and all three formula we have done. Now we are going to start this exercise. Yesterday I have given a little bit clue, and then but I told you that tomorrow means 16th of June we have to start. So 12 kg for $5. So simply you can solve it. It will give you 2.5 per dollar, kg per dollar, per $1. The rate we have to find. Mean 12 kg for $5. In $1, how much we can take? 2.5 kg. This is the rate, and this is what. How can we solve it? Yes, Gani.
Sir, I think it should be 2.4.
2.4. 2.4. Yes. Two fives are 10, two fours are yes. You are right. Thank you very much. Now 120 liter for mean anything, mean like bus or any vehicle, it's taking 120 liter for 1000 kilometer. Mean that much petrol consumed for 1000. Just I will divide 120 divided by 1000. So this will cancel out 0.12 liter per kilometer. Clear? 120 liter for 1000 kilometer. Yes, Isa, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Mean 120 liter for 1000
Yes,
kilometer,
sir.
just 120 by 1000 and 0.12 liter per kilometer. In 1 kilometer, that
Yes,
much
sir.
petrol will consume. Okay. I need your feedback as well. Okay. This is $315 for 3 nights. Mean in hotel or somewhere you spend it, and you spend. You have given $315 for 3 nights. So how can we find the rate of 1 day? Just I will divide by 3. So who can solve this?
63?
63 dollar per night. Yes, Soleh, is it clear? Soleh is here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, some student maybe till fourth lesson I have been observing that they skip the class. Please do stay till end of the lesson. If you have any query, anything, you may ask it, but especially in fourth lesson, be present. Okay, 5 kilometers in 20 minutes. So there are the two way. Either directly you will divide with you can take per minute, or this 20 minute you first you can convert into the hours. 20 by 60, 1 by 3 kilometer, or directly you can take 5 divided by 20, then the kilometer will be per minute. So it's up to you. 5 by 20. What will be the answer, Gani?
1 divided by 4. 1 over 5.
1
1 over 4.
It means 0.25 kilometer per minute. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Yes, Ayub. Ayub, is it clear for you? We were talking about the concept of rate. 5 kilometer in 20 minutes. So in 1 minute, how much distance? 0.25 kilometer. Ayub, is it clear? Can I listen to you? Are you there over in portal or not? Ayub? Yes?
Sir, but the answer is not equal, both of them. Like 5 over 20 is equal to 0.25, but the other one is not equal to them.
This one?
Yeah, exactly. There is no equal.
This is R. This is R. 1 by 3. Look, 0 cancel out. 1 by 3 R. 1 by 3 means point 0.33. So 5 divided by 0.33. I have given you the choice. Either you can find kilometer per hour, or minute should be as it is. It's up to you. But this is very simple. Whatever the number is given, one just divide by 20. So it will give you per minute. Kilometer per minute. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Or still confusion?
No, sir, it's clear.
It's clear. Okay. You can leave it. But 20 divided by 60, actually I want to convert this minute into hours. It will give you 1 by 3. It means 1 hour. And if I will divide 3 equal parts, that is 20 minutes. So that's why 1 by 3. Out of 1 hour, third part means 20 minutes. Okay. This is a question. Question number 2 from your exercise. There is a produces a machine that 1200 tons meantime it will crash a stone. There is a machine crashed the stone 1200 times per hour. So what I have deduced from here, 1200 ton per hour. How much stone would it supply in? How much stone? So there are the two parts, and 8 hours and 5 hours shift. Two questions are there. The rate is there. First they will give you the rate, then they will ask the different question like 1200 times crashed stone in 1 hour. That is, its production. Now the question is an 8-hour shift and 5-hour shift. What I will do, this is the 1200 multiply by 8, 96 turn per hour per 8. Actually in 8 hour we have to calculate. So total is in 8 hour, that will give you 96 turns in after this one. The stone crashed number of this one we have there. In 5 shift mean 5-hour shift, because this is per hour. This is per hour. So simply I will multiply with the number 5-hour shift. So 1200 times 5, it will give you 6000. Okay, so rate is there, just in this is per hour, 1200 ton per hour. Then after 8 hours you will multiply this 1200. If it is after 5 hours you will multiply with 5, because rate already is there. It's very simple concept. For example, if any where like you want to go any shopping mall, the rate is there. Like one shirt price is 1000 rupees. If you want to purchase 5 shirts, so 1000 multiplied by 5, so 5000 rupees will be the you have to pay it. This is the simple. If you know the rate, then you can find the answer if specific condition is given. Now let me ask few questions. Question number 5. Okay, Isa. So he cannot walk at 4.5 kilometer per hour. Is it possible Isa can walk 4.25 kilometer per hour?
सर जी इतना तो पता है, आपसे ही तो तेज दौड़ता हूँ.
How far will, then I will check your answer. Be ready. Walk in 3 hours. Yes. If you are walking like this, I'm not talking about running, I'm talking about walk. This is the rate, 4.25 kilometer per hour. So in 3 hours, how much distance you will cover? Because Isa walks, how far will he walk? In distance we have to find it. Yes, Isa. Isa, any wait.
Yes sir.
Yes. Yeah, simple. 4.25 plus 4. If you don't know the direct, then 4.25 plus 4.25 plus 4.25, isn't it?
12.75 kilometers.
Yes, Gani.
12.75 kilometer per hour.
Sir, 12.75 kilometers.
12.75,
75.
not 75. Not 75, 75. After point, all the time you have to pronounce separately. Kilometer. Not per hour. Actually, this is what we have to find. How far mean distance. If you know the formula, let me show you once again. Yes, the distance means speed multiplied by time. Speed multiplied by time. So distance will be in kilometer, not per hour. Mean rate already is given one. By using this rate, you have to find just distance. Distance will be in kilometer, simple unit. Okay, rate you cannot show over there. Okay, one more question. How far will a train traveling at 230 kilometer per hour travel in 3.5 hours? So this is what first tell me 230 kilometer per hour. According to formula, you know this is distance, speed and time. According to formula, this is what 230 kilometer per hour.
Times.
Sorry,
Times.
this is distance. This is time or this is speed?
Speed. Speed,
Speed.
sir.
This is speed. Okay. Now, how far mean I have to find the distance, and from reduced distance is equal to speed into time. So your speed is there 230 and time 3.5 hour. It means 3.5. So you can find the answer. What will be the answer? Yes. What will be the answer?
805. 805.
How you have calculated? How as you have calculated?
Sir, by 230, sir, and 3. Sir, it was
Simply 3.5 if you have calculated. Otherwise, 230 plus 230 plus 230 and 0.5 means half of this one, 115,805. Clear?
sir, I have done full.
Yes. Other student. Very nice, yeah. If you have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thumbs up everyone if you got it. Isa is still remaining. Isa, where are you? I am going to ask one hard question from you. Okay. I want to see who will solve first of all. A plane flies at an average speed. What? 750 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the aeroplane. How far mean? How far mean? Of course, distance. I need to find it. The question is in 25 minutes. Solve it in 25 minutes. Hurry, hurry. Yes. Who will answer? Hurry up, hurry. Give me the answer. We have to find that, you know, the distance is equal to speed over time. What is the speed? 750 kilometer per hour. So this minute we can convert into the hour. So may I write 25 by 60. This is the one way we can solve it. Yes, do you have any answer?
Sir, 312.5.
Sorry?
312.5.
312.5.
0.5.
Yes. So look, we have calculated because we need to find is how far, that is the distance, and distance formula is speed over time, speed multiplied by time. So speed is there 750 kilometer per hour, and we need to find 25 minutes. Either other way is little bit lengthy one, but this way is very simple. We can convert into the R, so it will give you 750 multiplied by 25 by 60, mean this is R. This is the R. So simplify it, 312.5, that will be in kilometer. You got it? Okay. The last question. I want to see who will solve first of all. Colin has left. The question is, a train left Cairo at 9 p.m. This is the train departure time from Cairo, 9 p.m. and traveled 880 kilometers. Mean from Cairo it has started and it covered 880 kilometers. That is your distance. And the time when it has departed, that was 9 p.m. and it arrived at the station Aswan, that is at 5 p.m. What was the average speed? What was the average speed? How you will find it? Look again, let me explain. There is a one station Cairo, 9 p.m. it has started and 880 kilometer mean distance is there and time is there 9 p.m. mean night time and morning time 5 a.m. it reached. How you will find the speed, average speed? Just tell me what should be the working first step. Do you know how can you find the speed? No. Isa, do you know how can we find the average speed?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula?
No, sir.
Speed is
Sir,
equal
this is
to
total distance divided by time.
Distance divided by time.
Isa. Look, very simple. Triangle, I have given you the concept about
Yes,
this
sir.
one.
Yes, sir.
So Q is equal to D over mean total distance divided by total time. Yes. So total distance is what? 880.
0.7.
And time. How many hours?
8 hours.
How many hours?
8.
8 hours. So 110
80 hours.
kilometers. Sorry? SN? Anything wrong? We are going to find the speed. So 110 kilometer per hour. Clear?
Sir, where
Yes,
did
sir.
Yes, sir.
you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
और कोई रह-
Hello, sir.
ईसा का तादाली के लिए माला राशन का
Hello, sir.
Sorry.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, it is 9. You have written 8. How is 8?
What 9?
Sir, it is
Look, 8
written 9
on
p.m.
the 8, 8 on the 8 and 0. We have to find the speed.
Yes, sir.
Your distance, yes, covered 880 kilometer, and your total time in hour, it has started 9 p.m. and 5 arrival time, another station. So total time from 9 to 5 morning, that is 8 hours. So 880 divided by 8, 110 kilometer per hour. So there is a homework from exercise. Question number 9 and 10 from this exercise. And next we will start, inshallah,
Sir,
direct
when we want to submit the homework?
through portal.
Sir, what is the exercise?
ये homework कब
5?
send करना है?
End of this week. So today I will send you through, listen, today I will send you through portal. From that portal you will receive the homework, and on that portal you will solve on your homework copies, and then the same copy picture you will upload on the same portal, and I will check. If still you will having issue, then you may discuss with your class teacher. Before this you never upload, Tahir. I think Gani has uploaded. Isa has uploaded the homework. One student more, he has also. Musa also uploaded. Gani and Isa.
I also did.
Yes.
Okay,
You have
sir.
you may discuss with your.
No, sir, this is my second class.
Very nice. Second class, now story should be finished. You should
Sir,
learn.
this is my second class.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay.
So what was the homework?
Sorry.
What was the homework?
Okay, sir.
Again, what was the homework?
21.5, question number 9 and 10.
Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
Welcome.
clear.
Welcome, sir.
Okay.
इंशाल्लाह हमने शोध रहेगा.
Sorry. Isa,
Yes,
शोध
sir.
रहेगा.
please keep in your mind this thing. Okay, this is the basic definition of the rates. Through this application, we can understand very well. Let me summarize it. Distance, speed, and time. Only three quantities will rotate each other. And we will formulate the formula. Like if distance we want, then speed multiplied by time. If through this formula we can generate anything. Like if I will say y is equal to 2x, if I want to find the value of sorry, let me take another example. Like if you remember, make the subject y is equal to ax. So if you want to make the subject x, then you will divide a. So x is equal to y over a. So like this you can rotate. So just you can keep in your mind distance at the top, and then here's speed and time, and then you can formulate your formula in three ways: distance, speed, and time. And speed, total distance over time. In physics you are using too much frequently. And time, distance over speed. Is it clear now? Isa, today you will follow this complete exercise. I hope you will enjoy this exercise. Is very good regarding application.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.